In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a MySQL database into Hostinger hPanel using ppMyAdmin. By the end, you'll have your database restored from a backup and ready to use with your website. To follow along, make sure you have access to your Hostinger hPanel and a .seql backup file saved on your computer. Start by logging into your Hostinger hPanel. This is your account dashboard where all hosting tools live. Once you're in, ensure you have a MySQL database created. If you already have one set up for your site, you're good to go. If not, create a new MySQL database first. Give it a clear, recognizable name so you can identify it later, and keep the credentials stored safely. You don't need to do anything else at this point. Just make sure the database exists because that's where we'll import your backup. Next, open ppMyAdmin for that specific database. ppMyAdmin is the web-based tool that lets you manage MySQL visually. When it launches, look to the left sidebar and select the correct database name. This step matters. If you have multiple databases, double check you've picked the one you want to restore into, so you don't mix up data. With the right database highlighted, go to the Import tab along the top. This is where you'll bring your backup into the selected database. Click the File chooser and locate your .seql backup file on your computer. If you created the backup yourself, it will typically be a .seql file. Keep it as is and avoid renaming the extension. If your file is large, be patient. Imports can take a bit longer depending on size and server resources. After selecting the file, start the import. ppMyAdmin will begin processing the SQL commands contained in your backup. While it runs, avoid refreshing or navigating away from the page. You'll usually see a progress indicator or a success message once it's complete. If the file is very big, give it time to finish. Interrupting the process can lead to partial imports. When the import finishes, confirm everything looks right. In the left sidebar, expand the database and check that your tables have appeared. Click a few of them to verify they contain rows and familiar data. If you see the tables and no errors were shown, your database was imported successfully. That's it. You've logged in to hPanel, ensured a database exists, opened ppMyAdmin, selected the right database, used the Import tab to choose your .sql file, ran the import, and verified the tables. If you encounter errors, recheck that you chose the correct database and the correct .sql file, and try the import again. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.